Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Hapajubam yaki kubor but ki Jingtih ki benang yai beteng hakila pathai kubor. Shapang kamat ti uranium hakani gejala Meghalaya. Uminturang ba gejala konrat kongkat sangma hak kandrio trik unai tung araza apunrio. Ulapan skambiang ya kanong rem kapashai jong ka Sorkar ban Pyrshah ya ka Jingtih uranium hapo gejala. Uminturang ba ulapan mena ba ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan Wanrah da ka resolution ban penpau pat ba ya ka jing Pyrshah bat ban khang ya ka Jingtih uranium ha Meghalaya da ka ba penken mauru ba ka Sorkar kampat ju ai jing menjur ya ka Jingtih uranium. Uloong ba ka ni ka resolution bala terwa kan penskem ya ka jingkut jingmut jong ka Sorkar ban penbet ya ki jing sngokia jong ki pat ba bat ya ka jing shakta jong ka Mariang bat ka imlang ka salang na ka Jingtih ya uranium. Shu uloong ru ba ka Sorkar ka Wanrah ru ya ka jing shai halo ka ni ka man bakan weng ya ka jing artatien bat ka jing bam sngaw thikna ki bala ne da ki snem halo ka ni ka man.
Dear friends, recently our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jingtih was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jingtih had clarified that government of India has not made any decision on that matter. And the government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining. And that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. Yesterday, I had a very detailed meeting with a large number of party leaders from the NPP. And in that discussion, apart from many other subjects and issues, the subject of uranium mining had come up. All the leaders of the NPP have suggested to me that the state government and the assembly must unanimously come out with a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state of Meghalaya. Based on the suggestions and the decisions made by the NPP leaders in the meeting yesterday, we are moving forward and we will be working towards passing a resolution to oppose the mining of uranium in our state, to show our commitment towards this decision of not allowing uranium mining, as we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect. Thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.